She's an angel.
Angel, she got devil horns and look at the show after.
Oh, the new outro.
That's a funny transition. She's an angel. And they show this shit right after.
All about power.
Yeah, she knows she got the power now too, yo. This man will do anything to squeeze my titties.
Yeah.
She get him to do anything.
Hey, I fuck with how freaky she is though, yo. She say, "Well, squeeze these, right? Come on."
She's how freaky. She's not freaky. She's using it, bro. He had her almost die and squeeze it.
Yes.
She ain't freaky.
He was happy to do it.
He's not. I ain't freaky, bro. He did a lot. He should have get way more than those 3 squeezes, bro.
I need the top.
Like this dude, you heard the 3 things he had to do,
Yeah,
bro.
no
Like,
bullshit.
that's a
And she tried to kill him too, so.
Yeah, she's fucking freaky. No, my boy can go to the strip club for $20.
Nah, I was thinking, man, that's funny as shit though. My boy had to risk his life 3 ways and shit like that and touch the titty 3 times. I got a lot more just off of lunch.
He got his arm cut off. He got
stabbed in the chest and shit by a leech worm. And I'm out here just doing mimosas.